Hey guys, how's everyone going out there in YouTube land? Anyway, today I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you how I managed to keep my family warm living on an off-grid bus conversion full-time. So this is the basic essentials. We've worked out after 3 months that gas heater and diesel heaters ain't going to do the trick. You got to be kidding yourself. So we put a nice big wood oven in our bus, and as you can see, doesn't matter where you're camping, you just go for a short drive somewhere and you'll find some wood to clear up somewhere. It's already fallen, already dead. Chainsaw I'm using, it's a Pioneer chainsaw. They're known in Alaska. They're an Alaskan-made, a Canadian-made chainsaw. They're classified as an Alaskan muscle saw. This particular saw here I got second hand for 250 bucks after going through 3 different steels and a lot of other different chainsaws, run-of-the-mill cheap eBay chainsaws and stuff. Problem I find with the steel chainsaws are a lot of their housings are plastic. They don't last very long. It doesn't take much. Your chainsaw falls off the back of your ute or off the trailer, you can guarantee you probably need to buy a new fuel tank for it or some type of replace something. This here, the whole housing of that is some form of steel. I think it's like an aluminium. That thing was built in the 60s sometimes. It's 30-40 odd years old and it's still going, still starts well, runs well, idles nicely. You know, it's 40 years old, it's tried and true. So I'm really happy with this $250 Pioneer Alaskan muscle saw. One thing I like about this saw, it has what you call a skip tooth. So on the link, normal chainsaws have a tooth every link, where this one has a tooth, skips a tooth, and then there's another tooth. So I think they call that a skip tooth chain. Full chisel skip tooth chain, first skip tooth chain I've ever used, and it absolutely just eats through wood. Anything you give at it, hardwood, anything. Big 60-year-old bloody gum trees like this just rips through it like butter. Best chainsaw I've ever had. Good old Pioneer. There you go. Pioneer chainsaws, 775, Neil Drive, Peterborough, Ontario, Canada. It even has its own serial number. Each chainsaw is dedicated its own serial number, so that shows quality. Super happy. taken me 5 minutes to drive here, 5 minutes to cut it, 5 minutes to split it into small chunks to cart back to the off-grid bus conversion. Probably another 5 minutes drive back, so 30 minutes it's taken throughout my whole day to come up here and harvest a solid week. A solid week, we'll probably get a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks out of that. And this is how we keep warm in an off-grid bus conversion.